Newton's laws of motion are three physical laws that describe the relationship between a body and forces acting upon it, which is also laws of inertia. Inertia is resistance of an object to change in motion. Inertia can also be objects in motion that stay in motion until force stops it. In the first example, Elijah is sitting on the tub with a blanket between him. He has so much inertia that the blanket can't create enough friction to act upon him. 3, 2, 1. Newton's second law of motion states that the unbalanced forces acting on an object equals the object mass times acceleration. Newton's second law of motion, example 1, is both of my brothers throwing the ball at the same time. The one that drops the ball has the force of gravity pulling on it, resulting in a low acceleration. The one that throws the ball has an equal mass, but there is a larger force behind it, resulting in a greater acceleration. 3, 2, 1. Eddie, you're supposed to drop it. Example number 2 of Newton's second law of motion. Two people are pulling totes. One is empty and the one is full with things. The person with stuff inside has more difficult time because there's more force, therefore more acceleration. The one that's empty has an easier time moving the tote because there is less force, so there is less acceleration. 2, 1. Newton's third law of motion states that when an object exerts on the second object exerts a force on the first object in strength in opposite direction. Newton's third law of motion, example 1, is my brother sitting on a tricycle seat. He pushes down on the seat, and the seat pushes back with an equal opposite force. The second example of Newton's third law of motion is two balls pushed against each other. Each ball pushes back with the opposite direction it was struck in.